Good afternoon. Welcome to Joe Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for June 26th through July 8th. I'm testing out new equipment here, audio devices. See how this works. Please let me know. We're going to first look at the period for June 26th to 30th, and the forecast doesn't change very much since yesterday. We still have a split flow here. Here are the westerlies across Canada. Here's the southern branch. But as we go through this period, you see that the flow gradually comes together and transitions to a zonal flow. Here we are at the 30th, and we have above normal heights here with a ridge, and also a ridge here, and we still have our trough here with an upper low near Hudson Bay. And we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement with this. We're looking at the rest, going through them, and they're all indicating generally the same thing. Now, during this period, we're expecting locally heavy rainfall for the northern plains and the upper Mississippi Valley, and the greatest threat for heavy rain and storms is forecast from the upper and Mississippi Valley through the Ohio Valley. Some of this moisture may spread into the northeast, and rain and storms are also forecast from the northern Rockies east late in the week and into the weekend. Rain and storms will be possible across the southeast. Some of the activity could be heavy. Hot and humid conditions are forecast across portions of the east central states, with anomalies of 5 to 10 degrees above normal, and the Great Basin and the Four Corners will start out warm but then experience a cooling trend with temperatures of 5 to 15 degrees below normal. June 29th through July 3rd. Here we are at July 1st, and we have a ridge here over the Eastern Pacific. We have a trough here in the northwest, and we have a ridge here over the east central states, and generally expecting a west to southwest flow across much of the nation. This is a GFS, and we go through each day, and we come to the 3rd. Here you can see we have our ridge here. Here's our west-southwest flow or trough here. This shows it well with the GFS. And we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for a large area of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies be near 12 degrees above normal. That'll be generally across this area here. And anomalies would be about 4 to 6 degrees above normal across the remainder of the nation. And we're expecting below normal temperatures. This doesn't really show it well, but it comes closest to what I think it'll be. Forecasting anomalies here for portions of the west coast and the northwest. Forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. We have above normal precipitation forecast east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. July 4th to the 8th. Here at the 4th, and this is the GFS, which I usually start with. And you can see we're expecting a broad ridge to cover much of the nation with a trough here in the northwest. And the westerlies would be to the north. So here I'm forecasting a little change in the overall pattern. We come to, this is the 7th, and then we look at the rest of the models. But the ridge isn't exceptionally strong as it can be. Only a 588 dm. So, but you can see very well here in the GFS. The European is more broader, covering most of the nation. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting again above normal temperatures for a vast area of the nation. And again, the highest anomalies be across here with anomalies of 12 degrees above normal, about 4 to 6 degrees above normal across the remainder of the nation. And we have below normal temperatures for portions of the northern Rockies and the Northwest. Probability of the temperature anomalies would be near 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And we're forecasting above normal precipitation for portions of the Four Corners. This would be due to monsoonal flow. And I'm forecasting the probability of occurrence here is about 35%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 26th through July 8th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.